How damaging can social media blunders be? Let's talk about that. But first, go down below and click on that subscribe button and click on that little bell so you'll be notified the next time I have a video that goes live. See you in a minute. Hi, I'm Deborah Shaw with DeborahLynnShaw.com. Engagement with your audience on social media has proven to be very important while building your brand. Some of us are a work in progress. Others really shine at it. And then there are a few who do it very badly. You may have heard about Elon Musk's recent tweet, which cost his company billions of dollars. Retaliation. It was as simple as that. You'd think you'd know better, right? Well, sometimes it's really hard to keep your cool, especially if you're being insulted. But it's a necessity. Bashing people who don't agree with you or have made a rude comment will only bring you harm. It may feel good to get even, but keep in mind what the goal is for your company. When people attempt to lift themselves up by bashing others, all they accomplish is to change the focus on the conversation. Now the focus is on their bad behavior. It's not easy, but using that self-control will allow you to rise above the nonsense, take the high ground. And besides, when someone comments something negative, there's a delete button, so use it. Respect your business, treat it with professionalism and dignity. Do this and you'll see your business grow by leaps and bounds. If you've found value in this video, please share it. And remember, you have everything you need inside yourself to be successful. You are empowered for abundance. Take care.